Good morning, students. I hope everyone is regularly watching your educational videos. Today's video is from your reader book. I am going to explain you the poem The Rain. So everyone open page number 56. The Rain. Let me read the poem for you. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. The poem Rain is written by W. H. Davis, William Henry Davis. The poet loves nature. In this poem, the poet tells us about the rich and poor people in our society. The poem has two meanings. Firstly, the apparent meaning. It means it is from the wording of the poem, that is the meaning of the words in the poem. Secondly, the underlying meaning, that is according to the theme of the poem, that is the symbolic theme of the poem. Let me read the first stanza and explain you side by side. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top, giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. Can you imagine a tree? When the rain falls, the topmost leaves gets the rain first, and then it passes to the leaves under the top leaves. I hear drinking rain means the poet can hear the falling of the rain. I hear rich leaves on top means the rich leaves are fully wet leaves at the top. Get the rain first. Giving the poor beneath, drop after drop. It means the rain, when the rain continues, the leaves under the topmost leaves get rain water drop by drop. It is the short form of it is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. The poet says that he hears the leaves which are drinking water of rain, and it is nice to hear when the drops of rain fall on the leaves. The apparent meaning of the stanza is that the leaves on the top are drinking water just like human beings. And then after drinking, they are giving the rest of the water to the leaves which are underneath, that is below the upper leaves. The poet is enjoying the rain. He is enjoying the music which is created by the falling droplets on the leaves. This music is giving him a lot of pleasure and enjoyment. The symbolic meaning of this stanza is related to the strategy of society. The leaves on the top represents the richer set of society. They have all the comforts of life. All the luxuries are directly accessible to them. They enjoy all those things. After they have enjoyed, the rich transfer those riches, comforts and luxuries to the lower class of the society, that is the poor people of the society. The poet William Henry Davis had both these experiences in his life. Firstly, he was very popular. He had a lot of comfort in his life. Then he saw bad days in his life as well. Let's move to the second stanza. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. And when the sun comes out, after this rain shall stop, means after the rain stops and when the sun comes out, everything is going to be bright and shiny. A wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. Wondrous means wonderful light. The wonderful light of sun will fill every dark round drops of water. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. Means the poet hopes that the sun will shine so brightly that the nature will have a lovely, beautiful scenery. The symbolic meaning of this stanza is that, like the cycle of nature, there is a cycle in society as well. That after every darkness there will be a ray of hope. The riches and comforts are going to be transferred or equally distributed to the poor class of society as well. As the rays of sun changes these raindrops into bright shiny stars, similarly the comforts will be transferred to the lower set. The adversity will be vanished by the equality and justice. When the dark clouds of injustice will be shed away, the sun of justice will come out. There will be equality and distribution of wealth, luxuries, comfort for all the levels in the society. The poet is very hopeful and he wants this change to come soon. So, the running theme of the poem is the love, nature, plus the justice in society. It means to love nature and there should be a justice in society. I hope I have made the poem clear to you. Let me read the poem once again for you. I hear leaves drinking rain. I hear rich leaves on top giving the poor beneath drop after drop. It is a sweet noise to hear these green leaves drinking near. And when the sun comes out after this rain shall stop, a wondrous light will fill each dark round drop. I hope the sun shines bright. It will be a lovely sight. In my next video, we will do exercises.